She's not looking at it. Hold on. What is that? Oh. Mom! What is that? She is like watching it.
It's on your flower.
Oh, Mom, it went over me.
It's on mommy. Go get it. It's on mommy. Hey, you see it's on mommy's arm? She can't see.
She's not paying attention. Oh, she freaked
Yeah,
out.
starting on mommy. It's gonna go up mommy's arm. It's gonna go up mommy's arm to you. What are you gonna do with it? Bite it. Bite it. Can you bite it?
Oh, Savannah. Put it on the present. Oh wait, you can't because it's in the light. Yeah? Are you over it?
Yeah, she is.
Oh. Whatever you just did then. Get it! Oh! Did you get it? Totoro, did you get it? Huh? Did you eat it? Oh. Thank you. I wanted her to nod when I was...
Totoro.
Totoro!
Do hamburgers because I don't have any hamburgers pre-made.
Oh. Was that hard?
I just got that. Well, no, but the problem is when you
Thank
Well, I
you.
guess we can just...
Hey, be nice.
I have to mix the regular hamburger and elk because just plain elk doesn't work very well. And I don't know if I have any regular hamburger.
Honey, she's trying to rip a zit off my face. Yeah. Look
Gotta
at
think of
you.
something else.
You're so cute.
That's not two hamburgers.
Look at you. You're so cute.
You could don't do meatloaf.
Nah. I'd rather have chicken than that. Chicken. You are so cute.
Gotta think here soon because it's 3.
Ouch.
Oh my goodness, what is she chewing
Ow!
on?
She's trying to get a zit off my face. She's preening me. You.
So helpful.
You gotta focus on your face. You're so close. Oh, still not focused on you. There we go. Happy birdie. Well done.
Well,